Welcome to LIDA day number 18. Today is a very important part of when you prepare your live stream. Most of us do not have a teleprompter where you can read on the script that we have in front of us, like the professional TV news readers, or even some people who are doing live streams here utilizing the same tools that we have. They maybe are using a teleprompter, much be there with iPhone, and they have a scrolling text of that speech that they are giving. Majority of us don't have that. So my tip today for you is that whenever you are preparing yourself for a live stream, do not write out every single thing that you're going to say. Just make some key bullet points of the main thoughts that you want to deliver. But also remember to deliver the bullet point in the beginning, which talks about welcome the viewer, and also the last bullet point where you thank the viewer, and also if you have already decided what is the next show you're going to do, you can also mention that. Now, if you are recording a YouTube video, one of the key points how you can, in fact, now this is a pro tip, increase the viewers is that you have a end card at the end of the video, which actually is promoting some video that you have done in the past. So you remember to mention that, okay, watch this video that is going to give you more information of how to do live streaming. And you don't have to ask people to subscribe or any of that, but this alone will encourage people to click that picture and see the next video, which will show with YouTube that you are building up an audience, and they will elevate your broadcast to or the video to becoming a newsworthy item. So that's basically day number 18, where I gave you a tip about the bullet points, and also the last tip about how to do this for YouTube. So thanks very much, and see you for tomorrow on day number 19.